everyone! Welcome to my Japanese dojo. Here's another Japanese listening practice for you. In this lesson, I speak in Japanese and then in English one by one. Some of the vocabulary in this video might be for advanced learners. But don't be discouraged even if you didn't understand everything at the beginning. It will still be a great listening practice and you will pick some useful words and expressions. Also, I'll put the vocabulary list in the description box below. Please check it out. Also, this video is made for Japanese listening practice. I hope the content also helps you find some tips for learning Japanese or a little life hack for your everyday life. If you are new to my channel and looking for some materials for learning Japanese, please subscribe to my channel for more lessons. Okay then, let's get started. では、始めましょう。やる気を起こすには、How to get yourself motivated? 今日はなかなかやる気が出ない。It's quite hard to get motivated today. そんな日は誰にでもあります。Everyone has a day like that. そんな時、結果をイメージすると行動しやすくなります。What happened? Imagining the results of your action will help you. 行動をイメージするのではなく、結果をイメージするのです。It's not about imagining your action, but the result. では、少し具体的にお話しさせてください。Let me tell you more details. 私は毎日何らかの運動をすることにしています。I promised myself I would do some sort of exercise every day. でも、But なんだか疲れている。なんだかやる気が出ない。そんな風に思うこともあります。Sometimes it happens to think like, I'm kind of tired. For some reason, I don't have any motivation. そんな時、運動することをイメージするのではなく、運動して気分が爽やかになる。達成感が得られる。筋肉がつく。などの結果を考えてみます。In that case, instead of imagining doing the exercise, think of the results, such as, It makes me feel great after I had some workout. I'd get some feeling of accomplishment. I'd get some muscle. それと同時に運動をしなかった時のことをイメージします。運動をしなかったことに対する罪悪感、筋肉が衰える、次の日運動するやる気が低下するかもしれない、などと考えます。At the same time, I imagine the result when I didn't do the exercise. The feeling of guilt because I wasn't doing exercise. I'd lose some muscle. I may have lower motivation for a workout tomorrow because I didn't do it today. 他のシチュエーションでも考えてみましょう。Let's think about different situations. 部屋を片付けるやる気が出ないとき、想像してみてください。Imagine the following things when you don't have the motivation to tidy up your room. 部屋を片付け終わって居心地の良い環境で美味しいお茶を飲む自分と Having some good tea in a clean, comfortable room after tidying up this room. 部屋を片付けずに散らかった部屋でだらしなくお菓子を食べている自分。Lazily eating an unnecessary snack in a messy, uncomfortable room after I skipped to tidy up this room. どうでしょう？部屋を片付けたくなってきませんか？How is it? Aren't you feeling like working on cleaning or tidying up your room now? ポイントは行動した場合と行動しなかった場合。 の両方を想像してみることです。The point is imagining both cases, making an action and not making an action. 今行動せずに先延ばしにすると、葛藤した感情が芽生えて自分を苦しめ続けるということにも気づくはずです。You will realize that not making action now will give you an inner struggle and it will stay until you made the action. ただやる気がないと考えるよりもずっと行動を起こしやすくなります。Thinking the results of your action will make it easier to have it than just to think that I don't have motivation. ぜひ試してみてください。Please try that for me. Thank you so much for watching and listening to this video. I enjoy writing the script of these listening practice videos. Hope these videos are useful for you. Thank you for your comments and big likes. See you in the next video. Bye! またねー